Remember the 5th of November. Gunpowder, treason and plot. We see no reason why gunpowder treason should ever be forgot. やっほみんな、ロビンです。みんな、ハロウィン知ってるよね。でも、Guy Fawkes知ってる？知らない？じゃあ、教えてあげるよ。Remember me. In 1605, Britain was under Protestant rule, but Guy Fawkes and his friends were Christian and hated this government. So they planned to blow up Parliament. However, their plan failed when Guy was discovered in the cellars with tons of gunpowder. So, every year on the 5th of November, we Brits go and watch fireworks and have bonfires in order not to forget. So, if you're in the UK, November 5th, you can watch fireworks across the country. And that's the story of Guy Fawkes. Yay! Do you like that video? Leave a comment down below, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Ta-da! Remember me, I'm the one who blew up Parliament. I didn't really.